Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save game files and config file for EA Sports FC 26 on PC. Let's get right into it. Step 1. Find your save game files. First, open any folder on your PC. Go to your C drive, open the users folder, click on your username folder. Now, you'll need to open the app data folder. If you don't see app data, click on the View tab at the top. Select Show, then click Hidden Items. Once app data is visible, open it. Then go to the local folder. Find and open the folder named EA Sports FC 26. This is where all your save game files are located. Step 2. Find your config file. Inside the same folder, look for a file called FC Setup. Double-click on it. This file contains your game configuration settings, like graphics options and more. You can also open the FC Setup folder. Open the FC Setup file. This also contains your configuration folder. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find both your save files and config file for EA Sports FC 26 on PC.